Right guys, today we're going to be taking a look at Solana and where do I personally see it going in 2025. Now obviously with the big push at the moment, and we can see the slow steady move with Bitcoin, which you can find out in one of my other videos, I'm going to be taking a look into Solana. Now with Solana, this is probably my #1 crypto I'm investing in this year. Now stay tuned, I'm about to break down exactly why. But before I do, please remember I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right, so as always, if you've seen my other videos, you'll know that I love to use CoinMarketCap as my first initial analysis, okay? I will always head on over to TradingView, break down the charts, go into a bit more technical analysis. But for this video, it's giving you a insight. It's not a full breakdown. If you want to see a full breakdown, comment down below and I'll be sure to chuck one in if there's enough people wanting it, okay? But what we can see here is Solana is currently #6 in the cryptocurrency listed on CoinMarketCap, with the price currently is at $152.75. What we can see is over the daily, it's gone up a massive 9%. Now this is the daily chart. You can see here we were down at 140, now up to 152, with that steady increase as we go, and the volume being 40% extra within 24 hours at a staggering 5.46 billion. Okay, so if I switch over to the bar chart, which is just a little bit easier to explain to you guys, this is another daily time frame. Okay, we can see the candles moving, and what the market will always do is go up, down, up, down, up, down. It will always do that. That's literally the basis of the moves. Now if we were to go out into the monthly time frame, we can see that we have just broken above the previous month's high back in 25th of March. Back in 25th of March. Now this is very important because this would have been a major support zone. So me personally, I started to invest more when I saw this point. However, what I'm going to be doing is waiting for a little bit of a pullback and then ready for it to take on, because if we look at the yearly time frame, we are in such a great opportunity. Okay, what we've done is collected all of this over on the left hand side, which actually means that we've collected all the liquidity, giving us a bit more power to push on and take out these all-time highs. Now if we look at the all section as well, we can see that we had a higher high here, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then a higher low again. So what this is going to be doing is pushing up, and I'm predicting by the end of this year we will be up at $300, if not more, because this little candle here, which is for April, is showing that it's collecting the liquidity, and it's showing such a strong positive mindset, positive move into the bullish zone and heading off into collecting all of that money that's sat up there for the people that did the sells. Now obviously the community do agree with me as well. There's an 85% in the bullish section, and if we scroll down and take a look, I wanted to show you this chart as well from Pavlov Max 06789. Okay, so what he's got here is the daily time frame Sol USD. This is just a quick insight. I'm not going to go into the details of what all the lines means, but what is good to see is this high here, what I was telling you about. We have just broken above it, meaning that this has no value no more. This isn't a support section. It may well become a resistance. So now that we've gone above, it potentially could come back down to this level, which looking like is about 142. Come back down, test it, and then rally off, going back up, and hopefully by the end of the year, like I said, taking out this high of 295,649. But there we have it, guys. That was Solana, my #1 pick for 2025. The reason behind that is because a lot of meme coins are going to the Solana network. So many platforms are using Solana now. So many people are believing in Solana and the tokenomics behind it. So for me personally, I think this is going to be a major move, and I reckon you could easily double the price by the end of the year. So let me know down in the comments your opinion and whether you agree or disagree. I'd love to hear from you all, but thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.